Hey guys, I don't know if any of you own the plant that's called a peace lily. And I've had this one for years and years and years. And every year I do the same thing. I kind of forget about it during Christmas because I stick a bunch of Christmas pics in it. And it doesn't even look like a peace lily anymore. And then when I find it, it looks like a hot mess. So I want to show you how easily you bring these things back to life. No matter what, you can come into the room and all the leaves can be hanging, literally hanging over the edge of the pot and look dead. And you just water it and it's fine. It's golden. So hang on here. I'm trying to show you these leaves that are dead because I didn't maintain it. You just pull them out. They come right out. It's not too hard to do. And then I watered it, so I took it over top of the sink and I soaked it. And now see in the container, I have a lot of water in there. And I'm slowly letting it draw the water back up from the bottom now because I've done enough watering from the top. And then I'll just keep pulling out these, the dead leaves, until it looks better. And then literally by tomorrow morning, I'll come out and it'll be standing up like it's a brand new plant. So even this one, it doesn't look good. It looks like it was on its way out. Hang on here. And I have to dust it. So I don't know about you guys, but I dust my leaves on my plants. You couldn't tell that right now. Look at that. Anyways, it looks so much happier after you dust it. Now, I've heard in the past some people say they put mayonnaise on the leaves and it does something good for it. So I don't know if you guys know anything about that. Leave it in the comment section if you do. I just use water on a cotton cloth. And then I noticed that I stuck a piece of a different plant in here. Whoops. In the spring just to see because it looked dead. And it's growing too. So I'm thinking it's some sort of a trailing plant or climbing. Yeah, so that's cool. And Milo, you're going to tip the table. Get down. Get down. Thank you. There's Milo. Say hi to everybody. Hey. Psst. Hey. Hey. What you doing? He says, I'm sniffing this bottle. Is it a good bottle? Does it smell good? Cats are weird. Anyways, yeah, and that's it. And it'll come back to life. They're very, very, very strong plants. Get down. They're very, very strong plants. And even, like I said, if you think you killed it, you probably didn't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bring back your peace lilies with ease. Have a good day. Bye.